Hey friend, hey, guess what today is? It is Savings Challenge Sunday. Let's see how much we're going to stuff in our savings challenges. Stay tuned. Hey friends, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today is Sunday, so it's Savings Challenge Sunday. Before I get into my savings challenges, because I always forget to tell you guys at the end, please like, share, and subscribe. I looked at the analytics and I see a lot of people watching, but they're not subscribed. What is you doing? Come on, come join the fam, friend. Anywho, also I want to tell you guys about Fetch. Get your rewards points when you go shopping. You get your receipts, you scan your receipts, you turn those receipts into points. Those points turns into gift cards, and those gift cards turns into a happy person on the receiving end. So here is my Fetch code right here. And okay, so back to what we are actually here for. All right, as you see, I have my Baddies and Budget Savings Challenge. What we are using her self-care for is the hair. Right now, I have myself and my middle and youngest with locks, and my oldest has a fro. So, yeah, we are just trying to stack up the money before we go and get our hair done, and trying to keep it at $500 so that we'll always have funds for any hair products or anything like that. So let's bring out the money pouch. All right, you guys. Also want to say that if you follow each video, I did have a lot of money left over. What I didn't do is take out the buffer, which was $300 that I put back in the bank. And I also did not take out Pumbaa's his vet bill and his grooming bill, which together that came out to $323, which I also put back into the bank. So I got the cash that was stuffed still in my cash wallet, and then the wife gave me what was left over in her wallet. So this is what we have, y'all. We're gonna set that to the side, and we're gonna put the ones in the big ass jar, and then we're gonna put the 5 away to something else. So put that by the pyramid, let that soak up the energy. And let's count what we have that's going into pumpernickel. We have 1, 50, 2, 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 4, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have $435 that we're going to be stuffing into our savings challenges. Put this away, you guys. 20. Go ahead in there. It's okay. All right. So for our self-care challenge, which is going towards our hair, this go around, I want to do them lashes right there. I wish I could do lashes. My hands shake too much and I'm scared I'm gonna poke myself in the eye, but we're gonna color in these lashes. So let's get this colored in. That's that in my horrible coloring. Let's bring out our savings binder. I'm sorry, y'all. I still don't understand why I sit here and sing, but it's just what happens. Alrighty. So we're going to put 50 in here and a 10. So buttons. There I go with the sew. It's a filler word. It's a filler word. Just make sure these are all the same way. For some reason I get caught up and I can't count right. Well, I can't count right anyway. Oh, that's right. All right. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 25, 31, 231. We have now in beauty. All right, you guys know that we finished this last time with the $500. I will be taking this $500. Well, I did take the $500 and put it in the bank so that I can put it towards that credit card that you saw on my debt. Snowball, I think was the smallest one, which is the capital one. So we took this $500 and we put it towards that. So guess what? Dun, 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 dun. We have a new one. We're going to start a new one, and we're still going to put in the 5 tens, and we're going to continue. So all this is going to continue to go to each debt as we go. Alrighty, I wanted to do highlighters this go round because it's a little quicker, just touching it up. Alrighty, so let's pull this out. Let's get beauty. We're in that snowball. As you see right here on my tracker, I took out the $500 and put it in the bank to pay that last credit card. There's nothing in here. Empty. Counting 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 going into the bank. Oh, I'm not the bank. 50 is going into that snowball. All right, so let's move on to our next challenge, emergency fund. Alrighty, emergency fund is also doing a 50. I'm trying to knock out all the 50s, you guys. So let's see. I want to color this 50 right here. Let's do. Don't know why I didn't do the other way, but it still works. This highlighter like smears it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I see it right here. So we're doing gonna do 50. I just took out a 50. There we go. So I'm not gonna count this, you guys. But we all know that the emergency fund goes up to $1,000. So we'll count it when we get there. And I have not updated my trackers. Alrighty, let's see. We're gonna come back to these. We're gonna move on to our next. Alright, yeah, we're at the 100 envelope challenge. So you guys already know that I said in my budget with me that we're gonna do $285. I had everybody in the family choose a number, and whatever was left over, that I chose that number, which, you know, I get that number by default. So the numbers that we're going to do today is, I think this is the color. Is this the color, you guys? I don't know. I don't think it's the color. Is this the color? Yeah, it's the color. So the number we're going to do today, where the wifey picked 99, and then one of the kids picked 77. Mana, she picked 77. And then Shania picked 25. Nadia picked 12. And I defaulted to 71 because that all made up the $285. So let me color these in. Well, no, we're not going to color these in. Let me pull them out of our little... Oh. So now what's so funny is I tried to pull all of these out beforehand so that will be easier for me to try to find versus, you know, this stack, and I could not find my 99. I could not find my 99. I looked in the box. I felt all in here. I looked through twice, me and my daughter, and I could not find it. But lo and behold, as soon as I opened up the box, I see the 99 stuck like this. Now, I promise you, I put my whole hand in this looking for this, and it did not show up. I guess it wasn't ready to come out, but ain't that something? So let's see, I'm missing 77. Did I not take out the 77? 77. Okay, so man, that is so weird. Come on, let's get over there. So what I'm going to do is going to talk to you guys for a little bit. I want to tell you guys what happened to me as I am plugging these away. Oh, by the way, this 99, we're going to put an actual $100 in. My wife tried to be funny and she was like, well, I'm going to pick the biggest number. Okay, cool. You pick the biggest number, then I'm going to take it out of your check. No, I'm kidding. All right, so what we did was we're going to do 100 for that 99. But as I'm stuffing these, I want to tell y'all what happened. So all the money that I was taking to the bank to put back in the buffer, Pumbaa's vet bill and grooming, and the $500 to pay off. I think we had a little bit more. I think we had $650 actually, because I put a little bit more in there to pay off, or not pay off, but pay down the credit card. Well, I guess it's a new person there at the bank, and they put $1,593 in someone else's account. Now, mind you, you go to the bank, especially if you go through the drive-through, you tell them, hey, this is who I am. Here's my ID. Here's my debit card. So they can see which, account. You tell them how much you're going to deposit. And you also tell them what account, right? They verify. Cool. So then, they give you a receipt. Most people, they throw their receipts away, but I keep my receipt because I use it for fetch. So thank goodness I do. Anywho, they went on, had a day out with the wife and the fam, and I was like, okay, we're back home. Let me go ahead and start moving money, paying it, we're settling down, it's later on in the day. So as I go to the account and I'm like, wait a minute, why I only say a certain amount of money in there? This don't make sense to me, right? So as I'm poking around, as I'm poking around, what am I doing? I'm doing 75, 76, 77. Yeah. As I'm poking around and I notice I don't see the money in any of our accounts. So that makes me look at the receipt. So I open up the receipt. Lo and behold, the new person at the bank puts it in someone else's account. I immediately call the bank. And of course, it's Saturday. And they're like, well, the bank, they're closed right now. 20, 40, 50. The bank is closed right now. So, what am I doing? I'm supposed to have that 20, 40, 60, 71. Yeah, the bank is closed right now, so you're gonna have to call on Monday. And they said, make sure you bring that receipt in. And I know I go to this bank all the time, so I know, when it's new people, I get it, people learning, whatever. But when it comes to your money, baby, and you have to move it, you get a little flustered. So I tried to stay calm. I did. I tried to stay calm, and I was like, okay, thank goodness I have my receipt. And then, they can look at the cameras to tell when I came, so it will match up, and it has the bank teller's ID on it. But yeah, that's my little story. All right, I'll be right back. Let me color all of these in. Alrighty, me and my bag coloring, and no, that is not the same color, but you know what, it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in there off camera, and I want to show you guys that in March we are starting our Christmas. So I just want to show you what it looks like. This is Baddies and Budgets, as you see. Her Christmas challenge, catch-up challenge. Altogether, I think it's like 1,162. I think that's what it is, adding on these 2 bonuses right here, which makes sense because 81 equals 162. But yeah, so in March we're going to be doing this. Alrighty, so now it's time to look at what we have. So all of these ones, you know, is going to the big ass jar, but I have this one $5. So this lonely $5, I'm not even gonna put this much in the savings because it will bust, not bust, but it would just make it so big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this $5 in this little heart envelope right here, and this is going to become our debt little heart envelope. So extra monies, anything other than ones, will be going into here, and anything that I can pay with it, I'll let you guys know, and I'm gonna take it out and put it towards that. So you know what time it is. It's time for the big ass jar. What time is it? The big ass jar. Sorry, I was watching Bubble Guppies today with Kaimana. Here it is, the big jar. So we're gonna open it up and put the munties in there. So look at all those ones, you guys. This is gonna be amazing when we start to count it. I keep hitting that so loud, and I did it again. When we count it at the end of the year, I can't wait to see how much we have in it. But put you guys away. All right, you guys, thanks friends for making it to the end of this video. I know it was a little bit longer than usual, but I had to get some things out. And also, dun, 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 we are almost at 100 subscribers. So guess what your friend's gonna do? I'm gonna give a giveaway. As soon as I get 100 subscribers, all I need you guys to do to enter for the giveaway is to put in a smiley emoji. I don't care what kind of smiley emoji it is, because I know it's like a whole bunch of different ones, but I know if you made it to the end of this video, then you are one of my best friends. How about that? So put a smiley emoji at the end of this video and you will be entered into our giveaway. Soon as we hit 100 subscribers, which it looks like we might hit that by the end of this next week. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you. You see what I did here? You can do it too. I believe in you. Something's better than nothing. Always remember, keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. You got it. And I'm always here if you guys need anything. I love you guys. Until next time. Bye.